guys, welcome to Dakar's Beast Garage YouTube channel. Today I'm going to review Lego Technic 42121 heavy duty excavator. So this is the first time I bought a set from a Kmart online store. So you can see there's a damage to the box during the post. Talking about this set, you can do two builds, but actually I'm focusing on the excavator, not the backhoe loader. So if you want to build this bottom one, you have to download the what you call the booklet from the website because the instruction comes with this box is for the excavator. Let's open. All right, so I have opened everything inside the box. So here we got a sticker card. This thing doesn't come with the printed bricks. So this is the booklet. As I mentioned to you before, this thing doesn't come with the instructions for the backhoe loader. This is only for the excavator part. So if you need to build the backhoe loader, you can go to the Lego website and get these instructions. There you go. It has four separate parts, and it comes with numbered plastic boxes with the bricks for each part. So I normally sort stuff before I build, so that is my building procedure. That's my way. Some people like to make mess and pick stuff, but I like to sort it out before I start building. Let's build this one. Okay, as you can view here, first you have to build the excavator arm part. So I have sorted all these Technic pieces, as I mentioned before, according color. So that's my way. Alright, let's give it a go. Okay guys, now we have come to the last bit of the first Technic bag. So I have built the first part of the this build. So you can see this excavator arm, it can move it forward and backwards. So that's the first step, and so it's clearly mentioned on the instruction sheet as well. Alright, now let's move to the second step. now the interesting part. I'm gonna stick these stickers on the side flaps. I think that's the name you call for those plastic bits. These ones are on the rear with the tail light. Yeah. Personally, I don't like to do stick these stickers on my Lego models, but hey, I'm not gonna sell these one to anyone or just have no idea to give this to anyone. This is just to enjoy, and I might keep this one in my office desk since I'm a civil engineer working in the construction field. Looks good. Okay, now we have done the part two. Now moving to a third section. I think we have to build that base in this number 3 bag. So as usual, I might open bag and sort my pieces according to the colors. Yeah, some people argue, some people like to, sort the pieces before they start building, but some people doesn't like that way. They just like to have the messy table and take their time to sort while building. Well, this is my way. Let's do this step as well. Okay, now I'm gonna build a what do you call that thing? Excavator. What do you call chain? So normally there's metal chain as the wheels for excavator. So in this case, we got small plastic pieces. Very well designed, I guess. All right, let's do this. Okay, moving into the fourth box. No, sorry, not the box. Fourth bag. I'm thinking here we have to build the excavator cabin and the final moving parts. All right, let's see. Okay, we are almost done here. Let's move to the very last step. This is where you have to build the visual sets, cones, traffic cones. What do you call it? So it's not orange, it's a red and white piece. Uh, yeah, just use these three small pieces and ta-da! It's a visual set. All right, and with this set, it gave some loose pieces as rocks, I guess. So I might leave them in the box separately. I might not use those ones as rocks. So I might take some photographs with real rocks. All right, guys, we are finally done with the build. If you want to see more pictures, please go to my Instagram page, Diecast Beast Garage. And yeah, pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool build for $55.